Morgen VTT.
Ciao, VTT. Hello to the hang. Welcome to our new vlog day. Today I will show you.
Ale, so what are we doing?
I speak with Albi.
Where you go? Where are we going?
Today, bird racing training camp.
Ooh,
today.
big sand.
Yeah, big sand.
Ha.
It's not for the little girl.
First time in the sand since when? Since Arnhem, I think. Yes, Arnhem GP last year. Last time
No,
in the
it's
sand. Red sand is not sandy. It's sandy, but it's not sand.
Okay.
So Arnhem was last. Now I'll be making video. Let's head to the track. Stopping in the supermarket to take some food and then heading to the track for today. Hey! Oh! Hey. On the Team Honda SR mat, how will the boss like this?
No, he's not.
Not here?
It's quite nice.
Ah, okay.
2 gradi, 2 degrees.
No, it's more.
No, it's 2, I checked.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that's why I have the big jacket on. But I don't bring hoodie for riding, so this is a little bit shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna freeze my balls off.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. She's embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you to be in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. She calls out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying. Oh, think twice. 'Cause it's another day for
I hope you're
Done with the fuel.
Yes? Long day, eh? Starts, big sand training, 1 hour 45 of riding.
But I start, bro. Okay, try again, bro.
Long but very good day today. Super good to be on the sand a little bit. I missed it. Last time was August for Arnhem GP, but yeah, I struggled a little bit in the beginning, normally on the first day of sand. But I think we make some good steps during the day, and in the end of the day I had a faster lap that I did all day on the last lap, so cannot be disappointed with that. But that is sometimes also my problem. I take way too much time to get going before I'm ready to like push and be fast, so that's something I need to improve on. But yeah, we're working on it. I'm trying to have the different mentality to push a little bit more in the beginning also. But yeah, it's hard when you're also trying to get the bike good, so yeah, this is what it is. Did some testing today, so another day here tomorrow. and yeah, excited for it. Track is quite nice actually. Wish that it was a little bit rougher. It's not crazy rough, but it's good enough training. Like the bike is moving a lot, which is the difficult part with the sand. It's very unpredictable what happens. So got to do some big jumps also today, big ruts, and overall just a good day.
Bello, eh? Uno.
Basta per oggi.
Basta per oggi, sì. Moto finita, pilota finito. Oggi basta. Les jets sont faits.
Only mechanic, he have full energy.
Ah, meccanico, full
For
power.
tonight.
Full power always. Second session, small run, quite easy. Just small endurance run. I think 7-8 kilometers, so about 40-45 minutes. Oh yeah. So day 2 of sand riding, a little bit cloudy this morning, so probably going to wait another 30 minutes extra before leaving the hotel. Got not so good night of sleep. The room is feeling strange. I don't sleep good here, but hopefully will be a good day of riding. Got a decent breakfast now, and yeah, just going to relax a bit and then head out for the track. So.
was that? In like Netherlands, Belgium,
Yeah,
Germany, everything you want.
Velodie Road.
Nickel.
2 hours 5 minutes, almost at workshop.
Normally.
Cold, rainy, almost crashes. How are you feeling?
Life could be worse. We are almost done, then a bit of sofa,
Then Fortnite.
then Fortnite for sure.
Allez, yo. Peace out. Uphill, sprint, full poteau. Skratatat. Oh là là.
Ciao a tutti, hello everyone. Allez.
Sunday, chill day, watching Supercross and now international Italian championship. I'm happy I'm not racing this weekend, to be honest, but next week I am. It's the first French championship in La Capelle. It's an early start to the season. I would like the season to start mid-March. I enjoy the off-season and pre-season training and stuff, and yeah, when we start the racing it's all business again, but that's also cool. It's always nice to race, and I guess when I'm there on the gate I will truly enjoy it. So my pre-season plan is next weekend is the French Championship in La Capelle, and then the weekend after is Sommières International. It's only 40 minutes from here. I did that race also last year, and then the first MXGP in Argentina, and then we have 1 weekend off and 17 races in a row after that with the French Championship, GP, everything. Will be a very tough beginning to the season, but that's how it is. That's my job, so that's why I'm preparing so hard to be able to withstand it. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. A little bit different. We only rode 2 times this week because of very bad weather, but next week it's going to be good weather again, and 3 days of training and then 1 race, so excited for that. I would like to thank all the new channel members that now become a channel member, help me with a small fee every month to keep these videos going, and also for the GPs I'm going to get the media rights, so it's costing me quite a lot to just make the videos, so it's very helpful that everybody is chipping in and helping me with a small fee every month. Everything adds up, and that's really cool of you, so thanks for that, and then we will end the video here. Hope you have enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. See you next week, I guess. Let's go racing then. That will be very excited. Let's go.